Welcome. If you want to clone apps in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 8T, for the first we have to go for the settings. And right now just scroll down. And here you can enter for the apps and tap on the dual apps. And right now we can select all apps right here to copy. I'm going to use this option with Instagram, so I'm going to click to turn on. There's creating dual apps, so we have to wait on it. And right now we can go back and check if it is working. So here I got the first Instagram application, and I'm going to check the second. And as you can see, both apps working. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.